Right, Prashant, thanks a lot for that. Now, IT player Wipro reported a weak set of numbers this quarter with both rupee and dollar revenue missing the street's estimates. However, the company's margin beat expectations, coming in at over 16%. In terms of guidance for FY23, the company expects its IT services to grow in the range of 11.5% to 12%. The management said that the company reported over $4 billion in total bookings, which was led by large deal signings of over $1 billion. Well, how has Wipro fared compared to its peers? Reema Tendulkar now joins us with a third quarter report card of IT companies. Reema, over to you.
Thanks so much for that. So the big takeaway from the big four IT companies is that so far things are steady. It's not as bad as what the street was fearing. In fact, TCS, Infosys, HCLTech. 3 out of the 4 companies have reported a revenue beat. Wipro, though, missed the mark. In terms of growth rates, it's HCLTech which tops the chart with a 5% constant currency revenue growth aided by strength in its products business. But the year-on-year picture will tell you that all the companies have reported a double-digit revenue growth. The performance on margins was mixed. Infy, TCS missed. HCL, Wipro had a positive surprise in their margins, and margins expanded quite significantly for both these companies. The deal wins have been fairly steady. In fact, Infosys' large deal wins are the best that we've seen in the last 8 quarters. For Wipro as well, there was a deal win improvement on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Their total deal wins is now at a record high. TCS indicated that the qualified pipeline is higher. So despite the macro uncertainty, the deal wins and the pipeline continues to remain steady. There is a higher mix of cost optimization deals versus the pure transformation deals that we were seeing 6 months ago. But companies, the Indian IT companies, the large caps are benefiting from vendor consolidation. Taking a look at FY23 guidance, well, there were some tweaks that companies like Infy as well as HCLTech made. Infy upped the guidance, and Infosys is likely to be the industry leader when it comes to growth this year, 16 to 16.5% top line growth. Wipro could be the laggard. But both Infy and HCLTech's performance by the end of the year is likely to be better than what they had projected at the start of the year. Attrition has moderated across the board for the IT companies, so the supply side challenges are easing a bit, and that's one of the reasons why the hiring has been muted. For Wipro and TCS, there has been a net headcount reduction on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So that sums up the Q3FY23 report card for you. So far, things are steady. We do not have color on what FY24 or the tech budgets are looking like.